And y'all wake up, man, it's called a Barber. Now, I'm always talking to barbers about financial literacy and the importance of investing your money. You save a nice amount, then you invest it and get a return on it, right? We make money every single day, so it's very important that you increase your financial literacy. So I'm gonna show y'all today how I use the stock market to increase my income or increase the money that I have put to the side, right? Now, every day ain't gonna be like this, but you're gonna have some good days, some great days after you learn. Now, I made in one trade in 2 minutes what some barbers make in a whole day, right? And this before I came into the shop. So I'm gonna go into my Robinhood account and show y'all this one trade I made that was enough. I ain't have to cut for the rest of the day if I didn't want to. So I'm gonna show y'all. Stay tuned. So I'm in my Robinhood account, right? So we're gonna go to the home. We're gonna go to statements and history, all right? So the day I made this trade was December 9th, right? So if you look right here on December 9th, 2020, okay, the company is Intech Pharma, okay? December 9th, 2020. Okay, so about 600 shares, December 9th, 8:40 a.m. It cost me $3,749, all right? So the market sale was $4,242, right? That's those same 600 shares. I sold them at $7.07 a share at 8:43 a.m., right? That's 3 minutes, all right? So I made somewhere around $497 right at the 500 mark in 3 minutes. And this is what happens when you invest your money into the stock market and when you day trade. So it's very important that we invest our money. And that is a strategy that I learned over time. I didn't learn it overnight. I've been day trading. I've been investing in the stock market for about 2 years strong now. Invest in yourself, invest in your knowledge, and that's gonna help you increase your income. So I hope this video helped y'all, and I kind of, let y'all in a little bit, let y'all see that it's real. Y'all wake y'all ass up.